Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and good. Today we are going to start our class for third class term 2 science. We subject science term 2. In previous class we started new lesson and we completed first topic and remaining topic today we will discuss. Okay, before starting our topic, what is our lesson name? Our body. Okay, our body. In previous class we learned about an sense organs. Today we are going to learn about an organ system. Okay, many organs together form an organ system. Each organ system in our body performs a particular work. So organs in our body, organs are present, no? So all the organs is called as an organ system. Okay, each organ will have an individual and a particular work. It performs an particular work. In every organ has an individual work and individual function. Okay, let us learn about the main organ system in our body. So first, which is the first organ system? That is a skeletal system. Today we are going to learn about that main organ system. Okay, skeletal system. The skeletal means what? Bones which are connected to our body, to all the organs. In that, the first main system is a skeletal system. The skeletal system is made up of bones. There are 206 bones in an adult human body. So the skeletal system is made up of bones. How the skeletal system is made up of? It is totally made up of bones. The bones are connected. You can see in the picture how the bones are connected. See here, from head to ribs, here lungs, here hands, here legs. All these bones are connected to each and every one. Okay, so how many bones are present in an adult human body? 206. How many? 206. Remember this. How many? It is a general question. You have to remember this. There are 206 bones in an adult human body. Okay, the skeletal system gives a proper shape and support to our body and protect internal organs such as the heart, the brain and the lungs. So the skeletal system, it gives an proper shape and support to our body. It gives an shape to our body and it supports to our body, and it also protects the internal organs. Just now I said, no, what are internal organs? The organs which are present inside the body, that organs are called as an internal organs. So the skeletal system protects our internal organs also, such as heart, brain and lungs. Okay, next, muscular system. Muscular are the soft tissues under the skin which cover the bones. All the muscles together form the muscular system. So what is a muscular system? Means all the tissues which are present under the skin. अपने skin के नीचे भी छोटे छोटे tissues रहते. So that are covered under the tissues which covers the bones also. So these all are joined together. That system is called as a muscular system. Okay, muscles are attached to the bones. The muscles and the bones together help us to move the different parts of our body. So these muscles are attached to the bones. Where the muscles are attached? These are directly attached to the bones, and these muscles and bones together move the different parts of our body. With the help of bones and muscles, we are moving our body, we are shaking our hands, we are moving our legs. With the help of these muscles and bones, they join together and help our body to move the different parts of our body. Okay, and remaining class we will continue in the next class. I hope you all understood the class, and your homework is write any 10 human body parts. Okay, any 10 body parts you have to write and send me the homework in a clear picture and write neatly and cleanly. Okay, thank you.